All right, welcome back to my channel. There's so many confusion about this post of United Nations aircraft spotted in northern part of Nigeria. Many people are asking questions about it. I welcome you to this particular program. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today's date is 21st of March, 2026. I hope all is well with you. You're welcome. Please do me a favor, like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. For those who are asking me about my second channel, please, I will let you know in our main platform. Okay, I'm not supposed to talk about it here because this video is going to our second platform. So if you are here, you are in our second platform, okay, called Truth Desk. If you want to search it or maybe you want to recommend it to anybody, just go to type truth underscore desk 001. If you put it on YouTube, it will bring you straight to this particular platform. All right, there's a video, okay, a very short clip for that matter, that it has been trending since last night from my own area. I don't know about your own area. Maybe you started, maybe started trending on your own area, maybe in the morning or even the day before yesterday. I don't know. But to me, last night, a video of an aircraft that was written. In fact, that aircraft is written UN. That's the United Nations. Spotted in northern part of Nigeria. The people have been asking questions, what is this aircraft doing in the northern part of Nigeria? A lot of comments, a lot of suggestions. People are saying a different thing about it. So we are here to talk about it. Not that I have a classified information or I have done my verification about it, because there is no source to verify it. Even Clock is confused about it. We are going to go through it, but then I will tell you what I think or what I feel that aircraft is. Not that what it is, it may be something else, but my own instinct. And I want to know from you what you think about that particular aircraft. So what we are seeing here has been trending. A video of aircraft boldly written United Nations, okay, has been trending, and people are asking questions about it. So in case if you don't know, maybe you are asking questions, look at it. At any part of the aircraft, you can see UN boldly written there, United Nations. Some say that these aircraft are supplying ngwogo or food to help Ndobunigwe. Remember, it's happened in the northern Nigeria, according to reports. But nobody have come up with a clear explanation of what this aircraft is doing in the supposedly area occupied by banditry or bandit and terrorists. If you know, please let us know, because I don't want to spread falsehood. I have to be realistic. I have to tell you what I feel, what is the video and what people are saying about it. Then if you have a better answer to that, you can let us know. But we have seen something similar like this in the past. A situation whereby some aircraft, military aircraft, military copper, they call it, some people call it that, spotted in another part of Nigeria, most especially in the bush, supplying aids. And this thing happened years ago. Not one, not two, maybe it's still happening now. But the one when the video started, it should be three to 4 years now, that some people, are sending something to the terrorists. I cannot just pinpoint and tell you that the owner of the aircraft or the helicopter are from so country or so country. But we have seen that the pilot and the crew in that helicopter happen to be foreigners. They are look Arabian. Some people say they are from Lebanon. Some say it could be from Turkey. But the mother of the story is that they are not black African people supplying aids to Boko Haram. Now we have different types of, you know, terrorist group in Nigeria. ISWAP, ISIS, name it. Even Hezbollah has been reported as well joined them to have their base in Nigeria. All of them see Nigeria as a safe haven. So in that case, when you see this kind of news, nobody is no longer a surprise because it has happened in the past. But the question is, United Nations is high, that this one is hit differently. How come United Nations is involved in this kind of thing? And some people are saying, "Oh, is it now that you guys are realizing that the people behind the insecurity and everything are foreigners?" You know what? Let's go to the video, okay? Listen. This is shocking. Now, let's go to the comment section and know what people are saying about it. Okay? Najee said, it is stated clearly. It is stated clearly there as UN, which is true. It is written there. Croc. Is the story true? Is the aircraft a United Nations or a US owned? And is it placed? Yeah, is the place northern Nigeria? This is our brother or our sister is very, very desperate to know. Now let's hear what Croc answered him. He said, the video showed a Greg C19130 with clear UN tells marked. Tells marked because at the tail of the aircraft, that is where they wrote United Nations. UN, it's a UN tell. It is clearly written UN tells marking taxing / taking off on a rough red dirty stripped express, trees, dusty clouds. Try to describe the place. Not US owned, no, he said. Not US owned, nor US Air Force stars base or US inside visible. Automatically Croc is related US in this one. Then come down, he said, UN does not own combat aircraft. Okay. These are usually loaned, chartered from member states, example, for aid packaging. Okay. It is normally loaned, like you can loan it, like you can hire it for packaging, for aiding to help people. Okay, for aid / peacekeeping. Okay, likely a national plane, sorry, possibly Nigerian Air Force base on a similar post. Temporary marked UN. Temporary marked. Is it possible? No confirmed report from United Nations, Nigerian government, or reliable news verify the location as northern Nigeria or any hidden airstrip mission. It is only viral social media claims with this claim. No official details. Story unverified. That is from Croc. All right. And the thing is that whether it is written Whether is it northern part of Nigeria? I cannot doubt it. Why? Because we have seen similar clips in the past. Queen said gold and other minerals are being exported through such routes. Okay, to refuel, said to refuel and supply weapon terrorists, of course, that they were saying that they are there to refuel and to supply weapon to terrorists, of course. That's what largely believed, that it is to supply weapon, combat materials, and just to give them aids to terrorize people. Okay, allegedly. But if you know, you know exactly. Croc confirmed this report. Someone said Croc confirmed this report. Okay, let's say what Croc answered this one as well. If it's the same thing, surely I would be happy to check the report, but I don't see any attached. I don't see any attachment, link, screenshot, or details in your post. Could you share more info? Okay, he's trying to. Croc is trying to play clever. Try to be clever. Shaggy. Let me forget about the song. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. The person here, for those who have seen, please, what way do the Nigerian security forces buried deep in enemy territory is getting replied through the air, but you must hold agenda. But you must hold agenda. I don't know what you're talking about. Somebody said this. They are working hand to help Fulani terrorists to Islamize Nigeria, which is part of the globalist agenda. The same thing they are trying to do in Britain and entire Europe. There's so much sense in this. Unago learn when we were warning you people that US is not coming to save Nigerian Christians. You're an idiot. So save Nigerian people, can you imagine this? So you want to transfer this on the US, isn't it? In Anoka. So US is coming to Islamize Nigeria. Some people say the way you guys use it sometimes is shocking. When we were warning you people that the US is not coming to save Nigerian Christians, that is an excuse to set up their military base in Nigeria and also to get whatever resources they have in mind and stop China from having them by. But you all are mocking us. Una go cry, eating padaka. So China having it is the best way to. Can you just hear you yourself? How many people are studying in China through scholarship? How many aid is coming to Nigerian like you are receiving it from America? So American government, they are not worried to have access to your resources, but China does. Anyway, how many aid? How many military aid have you received from China? Without making sure you pay DM. Anyway, I'm not promoting American to have access to natural resources for fun, no, or for free, no. But if you are in danger, believe you me, they are the only country to rescue you. That's why they are war power. Britain are doing all they can to have their way from everything you claim you have today. Anti-rubbish said funding terrorism as they have always been doing. The UN is a scam front for dirty business. Judas, this is how they come to steal our solid minerals. I don't know why the focus is about minerals and natural resources. Only few people have admit or even made mention of supplying of weapons to terrorist group. Only one person. I don't understand. Is it just that some of you don't? Anyway, plenty things are happening in this country. Supply apps. That's all. That's what to me, I believe is about apps. Now you know why Burkina Faso sees the goods. Sorry, the haircuts. I don't know what I mean by that. The northern should the north should keep enabling this parasite. No wahala. Abacha. Abacha Osuago. My, I don't know what that. They are losing in Iran, so they are equipping northern Nigerian in exchange solid minerals. Obama, UN, and globalists. You're a liar. They are not losing in Iran. You are just believing in propaganda and AI footages flying everywhere on social media. Anyway, my people, tell me what to think about this particular video. What's your take? I want to know what is your take. Do you agree or disagree? Let me know in comment section. God bless you. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Good morning, good afternoon to you. See you again. Bye bye for now.